have a dream of an old man with a pan. Well, today we're making some oatmeal cookies, but we're doing something a little bit different. I brought out my three number 7 pans, and I got them greased up just a little. These are 2 gate marked and 1 Wagner-ware, a little bit more modern pan, but they're all exactly the same. But anyway, I was putting the cookies together. I took the butter wrappers and I lightly just oiled these pans. We haven't tried this before. We're gonna try, well, let me just get started. We'll show you what we're gonna do. So I have a 2 ounce scoop, and my intention is to put the cookie right in the middle, and we're counting on the cookies spreading like they always do on the pan, but it's gonna be in the controlled cup, so we'll get standard size cookies, we hope. So, I put the grease in there because I wasn't so sure. These are brand new, not brand new, but they've been seasoned a couple times. They're not used for cooking anything like this, so we're gonna try it out. And we're gonna see, will they overflow? We don't need them to be overflowing either. Well, that sure is easy compared to pressing the doughs down inside. All right, there's 1 pan. Boy, that's looked good. I just can imagine those melting down and filling up those cans. This is a double batch. And the double batch makes 16 cookies. It makes no difference. We're just going to see what we do. What we're trying to do is prove that we can do drop cookies in these gem pans and get uniform sizes. And like I said, these are for oatmeal cream pies. It'll be wonderful to have standard sizes. However, having said that, if these cookies do what I think they're going to do, they're going to fill the well up, and it's going to make them maybe a little bit too thick to put the pies together properly. But that's okay. That's why we're doing it. Next time we might use an 1.5 ounce scoop instead of a 2 ounce scoop or whatever. But you have to start somewhere. All right, I got the oven preheated for 350. We're going to put these babies in for about 10 minutes, and we'll get a snapshot of what they're going to be like when they come out. We'll be back, 10 minutes. And nothing on that one. So we'll let them cool here on the cooling rack. Typically, I would let them cool for about 5 minutes and then slide them off the baking pans onto the cooling rack. We're going to let these cool because of the depth of the cookie. We're going to let them cool in these number 7 gems, and I put them on the cooling rack so we do have air flowing through underneath. So we'll jump back in here when we take them out. All righty, let's take a look. These have been cooling about an hour now. Let me move this one over, and let's see if we can get some of these out of here. Let's see if this is going to be a special treat or a special trick. It'll be trick or treat. Let's see, I think once I figure it out, I ought to be able to pull them all out like that. That is awful chewy down in there, but look at that. Yummy, 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 a chewy oatmeal cake. All right. See if we can get another one out of here. A little bit chewy. Wow. All right. I guess that's it. We just try to turn them out there. Real chewy. Boy, that's brown sugary. All righty. We got our oatmeal cookies out. They're nice, thick, a little bit gooey on the backside. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's all that sugar. These will firm up a little bit more sitting there, but you see the pans, nothing stuck to the pans. Had a little bit too much batter or dough, or cookie dough. So next time we'll do a little modification. Maybe get a 1.5 ounce scoop, or even try using a 1 scoop and see if we can get a nice thinner cookie. But all righty, let me see if we can turn a couple of these into oatmeal cakes. Let's see what we have here. Let's just take this little one here. It's big. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oatmeal pies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that mess. These are crazy, insane cookies. There we go. So we got the oatmeal cream pies done. They're big and thick and yummy, yummy, yummy. Just luscious in there. I'm gonna bring one to my neighbor real quick and have her sample it for me. Thanks for coming by, folks. Got some great oatmeal cakes. Unexpectedly big, fat cakes, but you know, that's what you get when you try something out, something new out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I think we can call success on that baby. Jump in here for a minute. I went ahead and made another batch using the 1 ounce scoop, and they filled the trays. They cooked perfectly. So now we have uniform shaped cookies to put our cream pies together with. So 1 ounce is the perfect scoop for the 2 ounce cups.